guessing that's Chompy Mountain over there, home of our next super bad guy and fellow enchilada enthusiast, the Chompy Mage. You know, I had my own mountain once, too. Mount Flinmore, it was called. Turns out it was made entirely of cake, though, so after the first rainy season, whoosh, whole thing washed away. Just wish I'd known ahead of time. I would have eaten so much more of it. Anywho, I think I see Buzz over there. Good luck, Skylander. And if you find out the Chompy Mountain is also made of cake, make sure to let me know.
Welcome, Skylander. I have assembled a crack team of Mabu workers to help us fix the bridges so we can lay siege to this mountain. Only problem is, I tend to become pretty intense in these situations, and my aggressive tone has frightened them away. I need you to go after them, Skylander. Convince them that we've got a job to do here, and this is no time to hide inside strange houses. Yeah, that can come later, though.
Okay, I'll admit it. I'm just plain scared, so I came in here to hide. Sue me. But now that you're here, I'm starting to think that maybe I should get out there and help you guys. Remember your courage, Snuggles. Courage. Okay? Count me in.
Good work. Just need to find 2 more of those little guys.
I'm not scared of nothing, Skylander. I just accidentally locked myself inside this jail cell. Why would a normal house even have a jail cell? But if you can find something to blow this door open, I'll help you. I swear. Thanks a million, Skylander. Now let's get to...
Boomsticks! 1 more Mabu, and we're in business here.
Well, howdy there, Skylander. I've managed to get myself a little stuck. Don't know how exactly I got here, but I do know that I can't seem to get down. Any chance you could find a way up here yourself and escort me off this ledge? Oh, would you look at that? All right, Skylander, I'm ready to pitch in. Meet you outside.
All right. First order of business today is opening up this here gate that stands between us and kicking some Chompy Mage tail. So let's do it.
Yeah! All right! The Chompy Mage has a tail? Skylanders of the life element are stronger in this zone.
Let's get it on! Whoa! Time for some pummeling!
Time to shine! Outshining the rest.
Not sure how screwing down the coil would help unlock that big door. Let's see if you can screw down more of them. And you guys, Mabu Defense Force, how about building a bridge for our Skylander comrade over here? I bet the Chompy Mage is right inside the mountain. But even if he's not, still would be kinda cool to go in.
Skylanders of the tech element are stronger in this zone.
It is I, the Chompy Mage, and you are not Chompies, so I don't like you. I don't like bridges either. So don't try to move too much while I blast you. It's go time!
Rise and shine!
hit by my own cannon. Not fair! Bombs away! Not again! I am going to have to fly away now, but when we meet again, I will definitely make sure not to leave any cannons around for you to shoot me with.
Come on, fellas. Let's build another bridge.
Sounds good to me.
If he had a tail, I didn't see it.
Cruiser.
For Skylanders! Look on the bright side.
Put 'em up.
Bruiser Cruiser defeated.
Is it too late to say I'm sorry?
Bruiser Cruiser trapped.
Roger that.
Boomsticks! That's right, I can still see you. Looks like we've almost got this big door open. Just find the next coil. And what are you standing around for, Mabu Defense Force? Oh, no, wait. Like you guys are moving. And you're building a bridge. Nice one.
Another triumph. Villains are stronger in this zone. Yeah! Outshining the rest.
That's the last one, Skylander. The mountain door is down and ready to be infiltrated. Why don't you build them another bridge, Mabu Defense Force? Hey, great! Nice going! You better head over there, Skylander. Quick style. Don't want those noobs wandering around inside without you. As I feared, the Mabu Defense Force were immediately captured and taken to separate jail cells. See if you can rescue those guys and let them know we'll probably need to spend a bit more time training before their next mission.
Time to shine! Skylanders of the magic element are stronger in this zone.
Thanks for busting me out of here, Skylander. And sorry we rushed in ahead of you like that, but I was able to figure out how their elevator system works. Come on, I'll show you.
Feeling stronger.
Going up.
Skylanders of the light element are stronger in this zone.
Fortune favors the brave.
Awful nice of you to rescue me, Skylander. Here, I can help you take the next elevator. Up we go!
Villains are stronger in this zone. For Skylanders!
Illuminating.
Oh, thank goodness you got me out of there. I was starting to worry. I also found out where that awful Chompy Mage is. He's just up on the next floor. You don't mind if I, wait right here, do you? I'm still getting back into the swing of this whole courage business.
It is I, the Chompy Mage, and you are still not a Chompy, so I still don't like you.
Chompy Mage.
Let's rock!
Feeling stronger.
Chompy's gotta jump, and here come the Chompies. More Chompies, more! Jump, jump, I summon thee! Are you still here? How irritating! I suppose I should make this a little tougher. Round 2! I see the problem now. I'm not using all my powers to defeat you. Instead, I have just been incrementally increasing the difficulty. Well, that's about to change.
Super magma form.
Rock and roll.
Chompy Mage defeated.
Put a light.
What the? What did I do to deserve this? Oh yeah, all that stuff I did. Whoa! Who will look after the Chompy?
Chompy Mage trapped.
Tell me, what happened to the Chompy Mage?
Oh, you are not gonna like this, Majesty. He was totally captured. Those Skylanders got him. I kind of forgot how annoying they could be.
You know what that means, don't you? The Chompy Mage might have flipped. He could be working for the Skylanders now.
No matter. He already served his purpose by locating all of the Traptanium we need to build my ultimate weapon of infinite power. Our revenge is almost at hand.
Yeah, about that. This all sounded well and good when we were locked up, but we've already lost 2 of our pack. And I don't feel like being number 3. Maybe it's time for a little change in management.
Is that so?
Huge! What are you doing? I could have chipped a tooth.
What do you see now, Lord Chaos?
Shh! Quiet, fool! Just keep still. After all I've done for them, if it wasn't for me, they'd still be locked up. Stupid Golden Queen. I'll bet she's not even real gold.
Maybe. But it sounds like this ultimate weapon of hers might actually work.
Not if I have anything to say about it. Think, fool. If their plan were to utterly fail, they would have no choice but to come crawling back to me. Chaos! There's only one thing to do, Glumshanks. Initiate Operation Sabotage.
Just as I suspected. Taking down that Chompy Mage was not a problem. Not even a problema.
Indeed. But it concerns me that the Doom Raiders are acquiring Traptanium. It's the rarest and most powerful substance in Skylands.
Well, it's a good thing you've got the awesomest and most powerful heroes in Skylands on the case. That's right.
Boom! Boom! Like your confidence, kid. And you're gonna need it to go after our next target. That evil Chef Pepperjack. There's a giant bird called the Phoenix Chicken who lays magical eggs only once a year. The chef won't be able to resist trying to steal those eggs and capture her. But before you go, you should check out what Max is up to in the main building. Might be useful.